Hey everybody, it's Lisa, Joyfully Art. Super excited today. I reached my 100 subscribers. Oh my gosh, my heart's just fluttering away. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh gosh, I appreciate you guys so much. You don't know how much it means to me. I almost sat and cried because I got 100 subscribers. Oh, thank you so much. First off, I want to tell you that my painting from my last video, I ended up washing it, scraping it and washing the canvas. I noticed that it started cracking and I don't know why. I used leftover paint, so maybe they sat too long. And I didn't want it to totally dry before I tried scraping the paint off because I wanted to reuse the canvas, reuse it. So I don't have one to show you this time. Okay, now for the 100 giveaway, since I make my videos in advance, this one will come out on the 17th, which is a Monday. I always make my videos Monday and Thursdays. So this one will come out on Monday. The one that comes out on Thursday, the 21st, I have a little cheat sheet here. That's the one that you really need to watch because I'm going to take, this one will come out on the 17th, like I said, and I'll have the weekend and everything to get my prizes in order. And the 21st is on a Thursday. You really need to watch. And then I'll tell you all about the prizes. And that's the one that you need to comment on to be entered in the big giveaway. So make sure you keep watching, especially on the 21st, so that you'll be entered in the giveaway. And I'll keep reminding you, I think. I don't know. I'm so confused. I'm so wound up about my 100 subscribers. I just can't think straight. But the way that it is right now, that's what it's going to be. On the 21st, all the comments will go into the YouTube comment picker. So you can only you can comment as many times as you want, but the picker will only pick from one comment. So if you comment more than once, it doesn't count. That way it's all fair to use that picker. Okay. All right, now, if I can settle down a little bit, we'll get on with this painting. I hope it does well. Okay. Gonna try this. I have some paint here. Love this pale pink. It's Grumbacher, pale pink. I'm going to put on this side. Got 3 spreaders here because I'm going to have 3 different color paint. I don't want them overlapping each other. Or I don't want to get paint. You know what I'm talking about. Go. I have a scratchy dog down here. I have a dog with allergies and I haven't given her allergy pill yet today. So she's down here scratching. Tricks, quit scratching, please. Okay, there is one color. My watch just said something. This is Turquoise from Artist Loft. The spreader. I don't use this one very often because I don't like it very well, but got to get it on here somehow, get it spread out. And I didn't get my blow dryer out, so I'll have to do that. That'll take up a few minutes, I guess. Done real quick. I might edit this part out. You never know. Oh, I'm just over the moon. Took me a while, but I finally got there. I didn't give up. So Don't give up on me. Now I hope that my subscriptions just take off running. Okay, there's that one. Okay. All right, there's that one. There's that one, except for that little piece up there. My hands all... There we go. Get my glove back on real quick. The inside, I'm going to have white. There we go. And I spray it. Saving my best spreader for this because I need to get up next to the colors that I already have on here. So I need to be careful what I'm doing. Slow and easy. There we go. Got some pink in there. Let's see if we can get that off. Might have to mess with it later. All right, how's that? Okay. All right, there are my, that didn't work. Let's see, I got some bare canvas. It's great too much. All right, there we go. Those are my three colors. Let's give them a quick torch, get the air bubbles if we can. Okay, now I'm going to set these over here out of the way for a minute. And I have, this is Winsor Newton Permanent Rose. And then I have Deco Art. Oh, what is this? Let me see. I'll have them all listed in the description below. Quinacridone Magenta. I know they're pretty close to the same color, but I just love the color. So I wanted to use it. And I have, whoa, that didn't work. Phthalo Turquoise. And that is Deco Art. And I have silver. Okay. My sticks are a little bit big for my cups. They tend to fall over. Now, if you'll bear with me for just 1 minute, I'll dig out my hairdryer, which I forgot to do. I think my plug is undone. There we go. All right. Let's blow this baby out and see what happens. I'm caught up on something in here. There we go. Now I want my little blower. See what we can do with it. There we go. I've gotten so old I can't blow with my mouth anymore. I don't have the power, the blow power, and it makes me dizzy. Telling my age. Actually, I have a birthday coming up on the 23rd of this month, so don't want to tell how old I'll be. You can take guesses in the comments if you want, and I'll let you know if you're correct. Believe me, I won't be offended. I have 3 grown boys. The oldest one is 40 or 41. I really can't remember. So if you want to take guesses in the comments, I won't be at all offended, whatever you say. Of course, you haven't seen my face. So you probably won't really know. I got you on that one, didn't I? This is turning out really nice. It's just my little blower. I like working with it so much more than a hair dryer. You can control it so much easier. And it is from Amazon. It's like 15 bucks. That's all. I love it the way that it is. Get that off of there. I don't want that in my white. I'll just blow it off. I think that's gorgeous the way that it is, right like this. All right, guys. I'm looking forward to my 100 giveaway. Let's see. I see an air bubble I want to pop.
11:51 a.m.
I've got my watch on something that keeps talking to me. I don't know what I've hit. I can blow with a straw, I just can't blow through my mouth.
11:51 a.m.
Thank you, who's ever talking to me. I love it, guys. I love it. Here's a close-up for you all. These colors look beautiful together. And there you are. Don't forget to keep watching. Especially on the 21st, because that's the one that you're going to have to leave a comment on to be entered in the giveaway. I'll be letting you know what the prizes are. I hope we have a lot of people that will enter. Please subscribe. If you haven't already, leave me a comment. Tell me what you like, what you don't like. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate all my subscribers. I'm so stoked about this giveaway. I can't believe how fortunate I am to have you guys. And the more the merrier. That's what I always say. All right, guys. And as always, please have a great day.